Hey everybody, it's Kerry again from Byrider Madison. Just wanted to send another video out. Obviously we talked a little bit in an earlier video, kind of how spring is a time of renewal and new beginnings and things like that. Well, here at Byrider, we help folks with credit issues, and now is the best time to help build and grow your credit. With these vehicles and the program that we have, we're designed to help folks in bad credit, no credit, damage credit situations. So those places that you applied to that couldn't work with you, we typically have the best shot at being able to do that. So my advice: use this time, this energy that's going on with springtime. Come on in to Byrider Madison, 5234 High Crossing Boulevard. See what we can do to help get you back on the road, get you into something newer and nicer, get you off the bus, or having to use Uber or Lyft. That's money that's being thrown down the drain essentially, and it's not helping your situation. Again, build that credit, grow that credit, fix it, move on. Again, Carrie from Byrider. Have a good one.